Hello Internet. Today we have this MSI 2080 Super that came in for repair. It appears to be that no one had opened this card before, which is always a good sign, and the owner mentioned that the fan goes on a full blast. So let's power on and see if it's true. There we have it. Fans are on max, but the power consumption seems normal. Let's see if we get a picture from this card. And there it is. I quickly ran a memory test and we do have a problem, as you can see. So let's take it apart and figure out what's wrong. According to the test result, this chip has gone bad. So I'll go ahead and try to replace this chip and see if that helps with the memory errors, and then we'll deal with the fan. Chip is replaced. Let's run the test and see if artifacts are gone. And there we have it. One problem is fixed. Now let's fix another one. First order of business is I want to test the PWM pin and then the tachometer on both connectors. Connector on the right PWM is a flat line. Connector on the left PWM is a pulse, just like it should be. So let's connect one fan to the good connector and see if the tachometer pin is registering the RPM. And there we have it. The tachometer on the right connector is also registering the fan speed, but it is also showing us much shorter pulses, indicating that the fan on the right is spinning out of control. The PWM signal comes from the core into two of these U gates. Now don't get confused. The U gate that's on the left is connected to the connector on the right. Comparing one to another reveals that the voltage on their input is different. And we are reading 3.3 volt on the input pins instead of 1.2 as we should. Now let's see if maybe the pull-up resistor is out of spec. It should be 1K, and it looks like it is. Aside from this resistor, the signal goes straight into the core, and based on my 3 days experience, the second fan control circuit died inside the core. So what I want to do is to use the remaining signal and simply control both fans with one PWM signal instead of the two separate ones. This is a common problem with the 20 series cards. And in order to fix this, I will remove this useless U-gate and solder a 0 ohm resistor here, effectively routing that same PWM into the PWM pin of the fan connector that did not work before. Okay, now let's see if the PWM is still good on this connector. And now on this connector. Let's plug in the fan and observe. It no longer spins out of control. And if we plug two fans together, both run at the same speed. Clean everything up, put new set of pads, plug it in, and finally run some tests, which, as you can see, confirmed that we have fans working, and that will be it for this repair. Hopefully this was entertaining and educating, and if it was, please hit me with a like, comment, and subscribe for more repairs. Goodbye.